What is that mysterious ticking noise?
You say it.
Over here, over there. I'm catching it. Snake. Snake. Severus Snape. Snape. Snape.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Snape.
Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Severus Snape.
That's me.
Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Snape.
Dumbledore. Hermione.
Snape. Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Voldemort, 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 Voldemort.